So me and Sargun, we have always believed in that organic flow of things. We are not two
That
people who
is,
follow templates anyway. That's because I'm secretly a robot. That's how I do all those things.
let's do this.
When it comes to you, I get super nervous.
Woohoo! The Zoom house actually.
And you're more nervous than I am.
Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah, and today I'm going to be having a conversation with the very talented Ravi Dubey. What's up?
All well, Shravan. All well. All well. So good to see you always. And your
Hey,
infectious energy.
Look at Ravi Dubey looking like a 23-year-old, which I am sure he is. He always lies about his age. So this is Ravi Dubey. He's
Yeah,
20,
I
guys.
do because I'm secretly 12.
Oh, yes, see, that all of us are, na, secretly. And I love how you're also giving us a tour of London. So, love that already. So, Ravi, the first thing I'm going to actually talk to you is about this glorious journey that you've had. Okay, you've been a part of so many amazing things, and I like how with each passing year you just keep on extending that horizon. Okay, somewhere has that always been a conscious decision that yaar ye bhi karna hai, ye bhi karna hai, ye bhi karna hai?
No, yeah, to be really honest, it's nothing with conscious decisions really works. I think we know, all of us, in all honesty, know that about life, that all of it unfolds organically. Even the things that we think that we make conscious decisions about, these are also the things that just unfold organically. So me and Sargun, we have always believed in that organic flow of things. And
Yeah.
whenever in that flow, opportunities come forth, and we think that we can give it justice, we seize those opportunities, and that's how our life has been so far. I think with my own micro sensibility, I would only be able to get just that far. I have always surrendered to a bigger plan, and so has my wife. So, and we intend to do that further in the future as well.
Yeah. Talking about surrendering to this bigger plan. Okay. You guys started your production house, and I love how, with your television show, Daria has been topping the charts, it's been getting great numbers. Okay. And what I like about the show is that ek hota hai, the Bollywood way or the typical cinematic way of looking at Punjab. And ek hota hai to show the authentic Punjab. And I think with Udaria, you'll have strived to do the latter. Okay. And that's very visible, whether it's the sets, whether it's the way they talk, with everything. Okay. Now, somewhere was that always this thing that because we're doing a show based in Punjab, let's stay close to the roots and let's not Bollywoodize it.
So yes, that was something that one would say that has definitely been a conscious choice. It's so Udaria in its entirety has been Sargun's brainchild. She has conceptualized the show. She has designed the characters. And when we were discussing, where to do it, it took a little convincing for everybody to kind of align with that wavelength to begin with. But now, our thought was this: that if we do it in Punjab, and rather than making a set in Mumbai and kind of do it there, the creative integrity would not get hampered at any point of time. Even if there is a junior artist who would come for 5 minutes in the show, so somebody who has to just has one line to say also, वो उस creative integrity को sustain करता है, उसको hamper नहीं करता. And we had the opportunity of going to really kind of organic locations, real locations, and shooting it, and everything just is in complete alignment with what we wanted to show. And to not Bollywoodize it or to not go according to how
A template.
how do I a template, very rightly said. I was searching for that word. To not follow the template is definitely a conscious choice, but that you can see it in our lives any which ways. We are not two
That
people who
is
follow templates anyways.
that is so true. I mean, what I like about Sargun and you is the fact that both of you are this powerful couple, and individually and together you'll complete each other. You'll stand by each other's choices, and you'll always make sure that together as well as individually you'll do your own thing. Okay. How important do you think that is a part of a relationship that you and Sargun have?
So I think, Shravan, that is essentially the very nucleus of a relationship, and that the fact that it's two individuals that come together to form a couple, which are not a couple to begin with, it basically goes to say that individuality and that one's own individual self-image has to be protected at all costs. In
Sure.
fact, has to be, it has to exponentially rise at all costs. It can't get lost in the identity of a couple. That's what
Yeah.
I and Sargun, we both feel, and that is, that's why you'll always see us constantly being more about each other than ourselves.
Yeah.
So
Which is very important.
it is everything. It is everything. You'll never get lost, and you just said this word, power
Couple.
couple. I think it's more important to be an empowered couple rather than a power couple.
That
And
is so
it's-
true.
Yeah. And that only the couple can do for each other. One partner can do for the other, and the other can do for you, because you don't have a bird's eye view on your life. You do have no objectivity about your life. You are too personal about it. You need that one person who keeps whispering in your ear that you're everything, man. You are everything. You can accomplish anything. You just need one person, and there is no other person, because that the only one person that it can be is your spouse. और कोई दूसरा इंसान हो ही नहीं सकता. Even your parents are so deeply connected to your journey, the spouse enters at a later stage in your life from an alien environment. So therefore, that the only person that can do it
Yeah.
for you is your spouse. And I think that's a thought that needs to be cherished.
This is so well said. But
Yeah.
I'm coming to the main question here. What is Ravi Dubey doing in London?
In London, that I have two answers to that. One I
Okay.
can give you right now. The other will take a month or two for me to talk to you about. One answer
Whichever
is I came
answer you
here
wanna
for. One answer is I came here for Sargun's birthday. The other
Oh.
answer, I will have to hold on to it just for some time.
I love that. I love that, man. I love it. This is so cute. This is just so cute. Also, Ravi, what I like what you're doing in terms of, whether it's OTT presence, it's everything, okay, is how you are constantly pushing envelope as an actor as well, okay? Somewhere, do you think that OTT given that kind of boom to artists today, where you don't have to be stuck in a particular space and you can do everything that you had thought of doing?
Yes, I'm quite apparent. Yes, OTT does give you a good creative bent. It gives artists a lot of opportunities as well. And there is now another vertical in the Indian entertainment industry that generates more and more employment, not just for actors, but also for technicians. Because they also get to do what they want to do. And no, only because not that these opportunities were inexistent, but I think there is. I think there the or anybody who's working in the creation, certain elitist nature of the
Mhm.
industry, which OTT has kind of neutralized, and which is beautiful. Now everybody from everywhere is getting an opportunity, and it's great. And I, as an artist as well, intend to explore this OTT space as much as possible.
And the last one coming your way, buddy, that I love how Ravi Dubey is a shapeshifter in terms of a month before he can be 20 kgs more, then suddenly he loses weight and starts looking like a 12-year-old. What is the secret to this, buddy?
That's because I'm secretly a robot. That's how I do all those things.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, so the answer to that, without any mincing of words, would be this one thing that I do not take any points away from. I think the one simple, unminced answer to that would be hard work. And I think if there is any ability that God has given me, it is to do absolutely manic hard work. So and with the right incentive, as in especially when it is for a role, one can really propel oneself to look or be like, in any kind of a physical state one would want to see oneself in. So it's part motivation and part being self-motivated.
Which is great. Keep that motivation on, because you motivate so many people for the amazing person that you are. You know this, Ravi, that I adore you. So keep doing what
I know,
you do.
brother, and I adore you.
Thank you so much, buddy. So much love to you and Sargun. Keep killing it and keep doing what you guys do, because you guys are brilliant. Yes. We should do that. We should totally do this, but the network in London is not.
There you go.
helping us.
There you go.
Yes, got it. But thank you so much for
no.
doing this, Ravi. Keep killing it with what you do, and hoping to see you super soon in
Thank you,
reality
brother.
now. Please.
Thank you, brother.
Always, brother. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Yes, absolutely.
Bye bye.
Take care, bro. Take care.
You too. Bye bye. Bye.
So that was all for today, folks. Do like, share, and subscribe to Miss Malini. And do tune in next Tuesday for yet another episode of Bollywood Zoomies.